If you've ever had a beautiful cutting board just sitting flat on the counter, slowly trapping moisture underneath, you know the problem. It's not great for the wood, and honestly, it just looks messy. So today I'm going to show you how to build a simple walnut cutting board stand that keeps your board upright, lets it dry properly, and makes your kitchen look a lot more organized. But quick side note before we jump in. When I first started building small kitchen projects like this, I ran into the same problem most beginners hit, figuring out what to build next and how to design it properly. That's actually why I started using a woodworking guide that includes 16,000 woodworking plans, CAD viewers, premium training videos, and step-by-step guides. What I like about it is simple. If I have an idea, like this cutting board stand, I can instantly see dimensions, joinery ideas, and better design options. It saves a ton of guesswork in the shop. If you're curious, I left a link in the description below. It's worth checking out if you enjoy building projects like this. Alright, let's build this thing. A good cutting board deserves a good place to rest. That's exactly why I built this walnut cutting board stand. It keeps the board upright so air can circulate around it, which helps the wood dry properly after washing. But honestly, it also just looks great on the counter. Here's what I've noticed after years of making small woodworking projects. The simplest tools often get used the most. This stand is one of those builds. Small, quick, surprisingly useful. The design is simple. Two solid walnut sides connected with a sturdy center support. The curved hooks at the front hold the cutting board securely without scratching the wood. And walnut? Well, walnut is just hard to beat. The grain looks rich, deep, and it fits perfectly in modern kitchens. First, let's talk about the supplies. For wood, you'll need a 3/4-inch walnut board, roughly 24 inches by 6 inches. That's usually enough for the whole project. You'll also cut a small walnut block for the center support. For hardware and finishing, grab wooden dowels, wood glue, sandpaper, and a food-safe finish like mineral oil or beeswax. Tools are simple too. A drill, a jigsaw or bandsaw for the curved hooks, clamps, a sander, and just a pencil and ruler for marking. Nothing fancy here. That's part of why this project is great for beginners. Let's start with the side pieces. Cut 2 identical walnut sides. These act as the legs of the stand. I usually go with a slightly angled triangular shape with a rounded top. Height is about 7 inches and the base is around 4 inches. Here's a small opinion from experience. Slightly thicker wood makes a huge difference. The stand feels way more premium and stable, especially when holding heavy butcher block boards. Next comes the part that actually holds the board, the front hooks. On the bottom front corner of each side piece, mark a gentle U-shaped curve. Then cut it slowly with a jigsaw or bandsaw. Quick real example here. The first time I built one of these, I rushed this cut. The hook ended up slightly uneven. Not a disaster, but I had to sand it for way longer than I wanted. Since then, I always slow down on this step. Clean cuts here save a lot of sanding later. Now let's make the center support block. This piece connects both sides together and gives the stand its strength. Cut a rectangular walnut block about 4 to 5 inches long and roughly 1.5 inches high. Position it 2 to 3 inches below the top of the side pieces. That spacing creates a wide opening that can easily hold cutting boards up to 18 by 24 inches without tipping forward. Now we lock everything together. Instead of screws, we're using wooden dowels. They look cleaner and they're incredibly strong. Clamp the center block between the 2 side pieces. Use enough pressure to keep everything steady, but not so much that you dent the walnut. Then, mark your drilling points on the outside faces of the side pieces. Using a drill bit that matches your dowel size, usually 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch, drill through the side piece and about 1/2 inch into the center support. Here's something I always do in my shop. I drill these holes while everything is clamped together. That guarantees the holes line up perfectly. Add a small drop of glue to each dowel, tap them in with a mallet, and you've got a rock-solid joint. Once those dowels go in, that joint isn't going anywhere. Now let's make it look really clean. After installing the dowels, you'll see the holes on the outside faces. Instead of filling them with wood filler, we use walnut plugs. This is one of those small details that makes a project look professional. Use a plug cutter on a scrap walnut piece and cut a few small plugs. Before installing them, rotate the plug until the grain lines match the grain on the side piece. It sounds picky, but trust me, this makes the plug almost disappear. Add a tiny bit of glue, tap it in, and leave it slightly proud of the surface. Once the glue dries, trim it flush with a flush-cut saw or sand it level. After finishing, the joint looks like it was carved from one solid piece of walnut. That's the difference between a homemade project and a handcrafted one. Next comes sanding. And sanding is where a lot of projects either feel cheap or feel amazing. Start with 120 grit to remove tool marks. Move to 180, then finish with 220. Pay extra attention to the hooks and the top edges. Slightly rounded edges feel much nicer in the hand than sharp ones. It's a small detail, but it changes the entire feel of the project. Now for my favorite part, the finish. Because this sits in the kitchen, I always use mineral oil. It's food safe and incredibly easy to apply. Wipe on a coat and watch what happens. The walnut instantly darkens and the grain just pops. It's honestly one of the most satisfying moments in woodworking. Let the oil soak for about 15 minutes, wipe off the excess, and your stand is ready for the counter. One thing I've noticed after making a few of these, people end up using them for more than cutting boards. Friends I've made these for now use them for tablets, cookbooks, even small serving boards. It's one of those projects that quietly becomes useful every day. And before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this kind of practical project, you might want to check out the woodworking guide I mentioned earlier. It includes 16,000 woodworking plans, CAD plan viewers, premium training videos, business guides, and even a custom plan request feature. I've used it a few times when I needed quick measurements or better design ideas, especially for small kitchen builds like this one. It's not something you need to start woodworking, but having thousands of ready-to-build plans definitely makes project ideas easier. If you want to explore it, the link is in the description below, and you can even download some plans for free. Anyway, that's the Walnut Cutting Board Stand. Small project, big usefulness. And honestly, these are my favorite types of builds, the ones you actually use every day. If you enjoy woodworking projects like this, stick around, because I've got a lot more simple builds coming your way.